Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. Okay, good. How are you this morning? Everything's okay? Okay? Good? Okay. Me? Oh, I'm very good. If you are good, I'm good too. Okay, guys? Okay. Before we start our subject this morning, where is our chairman, Budi? Lead your friend to praying together to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Begin. Finish. Okay, good. Next, all of you check and clean up the trash under your desk. Okay. Now, who is absent today? Secretary? Ani? Okay. Who is absent today, Ani? Nobody absent? Oh, good. Very good. I love this class. The thing that make I love this class is every I teaching here, every student coming. Nobody's absent. I love you guys. Okay. Have you finished all your assignment last week, Anto? Ani? Secretary? Have you finished? About recon text before? Oh, good. Don't forget to finish it sooner, right? Because the deadline is will be over sooner. Okay. Now we are discuss about personal letter text. Do you have heard about personal letter text? What is the function of personal letter text? What? Letter? Yes, that is a letter, but is personal letter text. Personal letter. In Bahasa we call surat pribadi. Okay, good. I have a picture for you guys. Look at this picture. Do you see, guys? Okay. This is a picture about what? Budi? What is the picture about? About letter? Good. Anto? An envelope? Yes, this is an envelope. Because when we talk about a letter, of course there is an envelope about that. See that? Okay, good. My question is, for whom this letter? What is the function of this letter? Okay. Nah. All of you consist of 20 students, so I'm gonna make you become 5 groups. Of course, each group consists of 4 students, right? I give you time 5 minutes. Start from now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, finish. Okay? Chairman, look at your friend. Have they get their group? Okay, good job. Now, I have a video right now. Before is a picture, now I have a video. Look at in front of class. In this video, what is talking about? And then in this video, you find what the social function, generic structure, and then about language feature of the personal letter text, and then you discuss with your friend or your group. Okay, check this one out.
Hello students. Now we are going to learn how to write a friendly letter. Friendly letters are not like notes. They travel all the way and reach your friends and relatives far away. A friendly letter has 5 parts: date, greetings, body, closing, and signature. Now let's look at an example. On the top, you write down the date. Next, you greet the person you are writing to. After that, you write the body part of the letter. You put down the main ideas in this part. At last, don't forget the closing and your signature. Let's follow these steps to write a friendly letter. Step 1. Think about who you are writing to, your relatives or your friend. Step 2. Write down 2 or 3 things you want to say. Step 3. Follow the sample and put your ideas on the paper. Step 4. Check your writing. Have you included all the 5 parts? Are there any grammar mistakes? When you have completed all these 4 steps, congratulations! Now you know how to write a friendly letter.
Okay, time's up. Finish? Okay. Buddhist group, help you get information about this video? Okay, very good. Anis group, help you get information about this video? Okay, good job. Antos group, do you get information about this video? Okay, very good. And then Titin group, help you get information about this video? Okay, good job. Last one, group 5, help you get information about this video with this group? Oh, good. Very good. Give applause to us. Okay, next. Before we continue, discuss about the social function and then general structure, and then the function of the personal letter text. Now, I have a task for you. This task is rearrange untidy personal letter text become a good personal letter text. Okay, class. This is I will give to your group. Look at that paper. In this paper, there is a personal letter text basically, but that is still random or untidy. So all of you have to rearrange become a good personal letter. After that, after finish, each group presenting in front of class the personal letter text that you had rearranged before. I mean, you have to present in front of class after you finish rearrange the text. Do you see that? Okay, I give you time 10 minutes. Start from now. Okay, finish. Time's up. Finish. Okay, class. Buddhist group. Time is yours. Presenting in front of class about your assignment, about your task, rearrange the personal letter text. Begin. Oh, good. Very good. Give applause to Buddhist group. Next. Anis group. Time is yours. Okay, good. Give applause to Anis group. Next, Windy's group. The time is yours for presenting in front of class. Okay, give applause. Very, very good. Next, Antos group. Antos, finish? Okay, time is yours, Anto. Oh, good. Very, very good. Well, I think all of your answer about rearrange the text is very good. Absolutely, correctly, that is correct, I mean. Next. Can one of group or can all of group conclude what is our topic today? Give a conclusion about what is personal letter text, I mean. Because after we have studied about a lot of material about personal letter text, now the time is for us to conclude that. We have to find what is the function, we have to find what is the generic structure, we have to find what is the body of the content, and then we have to find what is the social function, I mean, and then what is the language feature that using in this personal letter text. Okay. Buddhist, do you want to conclude that? Okay, time is yours. Good. Give applause to Budi. Anto, do you want to conclude that? Okay, time is yours. Okay, good. Now, I will give the conclusion about our material today. From Anto and Budi conclusion, I can get a point that a personal letter text is a text or personal letter that written for our family, for our friends, and then to strengthen our relationship with them. Do you see that? Nah. And then personal letter text consists of that, salutation, and then greeting, and the body of the text, and then consists of introduction, and then closure, closing, and then postscript. If you find that in the text body part like that, it means that is a personal letter text. Okay, guys. Before I close this class this morning, I will give you an assignment. This is individually assignment. Don't forget to finish it sooner, right? What is the assignment? That is, each of you have to write a personal letter text that sent to me. The topic is about gratitude. Okay? About gratitude that you have sent to me. When you have to finish it? Tomorrow. You have to write a personal letter text about gratitude that sent to me for tomorrow. Get it? Okay, good job. Give applause to our class today. Okay, Budi, lead your friend again praying before we close this class this morning. Begin. Okay, finish. Okay, class. Well, thank you for today. I hope you enjoyed my class. I hope you understand about my explanation about personal letter text today. And then don't forget to finish your assignment. And then next, see you next time. What next? Nothing? Okay, I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next meeting.
And now I know my heart is a ghost town.